Hey my lovelies, this is Mutulu here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the luxurious puff puff. Now here I'm adding 2 cups of white spelt flour, 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt. Mix that thoroughly. It's always wise to add all your dried ingredients together before the wet. 1 tablespoon of Ceylon cinnamon. Now, if you don't want to use cinnamon for whatever reason, you can use Allspice as the alternative. I'm adding 150 mils of agave syrup. The secret ingredient is this: 350 mils of carbonated water. This is what is going to allow the puff puff to be fluffy and rise. So after this, I'm going to proof it. Just set it aside. My kitchen's warm because I'm cooking up a storm. Just put it anywhere on the kitchen counter and leave it for about half an hour. Now heat up your oil, grapeseed oil preferably, and now you can start to spoon it into the hot oil. Make sure your heat is about, say, medium to low-ish. And as you can see, it will start to float. Traditionally, when you are spooning puff puff into the oil, you usually use your hands. And that helps to form the cylinder fashion that you see puff puff usually in. But as I was multitasking, I didn't want to get my hands too dirty. So I'm using the ladle. Hence why it's looking a bit jaga jaga. But it's okay. It's still going to taste lovely. Now, once it's cooked on one side, you want to just turn them over so that it cooks thoroughly. You want to make sure you do this, otherwise it may not cook in the center. Now, once you've removed all the puff puff, then you want to go ahead and repeat the process. So now look, it's ready. You're ready to chop. Now I must warn you, do not eat this often. It's okay. Once in a while, it's the festive season. Just take your time, okay? Now, if you want to learn more recipes like this, head to mutulu.co.uk. Now look at this beauty. We have our cookbook out, available now via mutulu.co.uk. It features over 120 recipes, which is for the whole family, especially your children, babies. We've got hemp milk, all kinds of different things, desserts, sauces, everything, okay, from an alkaline perspective. Now you can get it via mutulu.co.uk, or you can head to eattolivenottoDie.com. Thank you for watching. Take care.